Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to see private account photos on Instagram, or even it is possible or not. So firstly, let's open Instagram. Now let's open a private account first. So as you can see right over here, this is a private account. Now the only way to see the photos in a private account is when you will be following the account. And if it is a private account, the moment you will click on follow, it will be requested to that particular person. And when the person will accept your request, only then you will be able to see the private account's photo. So this is the basic way how you can actually see a photo of a private account. Now, let's say you don't want to do this method. So the only option is just simply create a new account and then just simply increase the following reach of your account by posting the random clips like I've done in my account over here. So I've just simply posted some random images as you can see it over here. Make sure that there is no link between your new account and your original account. And after that, when you have your new account, then send a follow request from that account. And that way, the person that you're sending a follow request will not be able to know who you are. So in that case, he or she might accept your follow request. How to create an account? So it's a very easy process. Go to your profile at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right. Now click on settings and privacy. Now over here, go to account center. Now over here, click on profiles. And as you can see, my original account is the bottom one over here and the top one is the new one. So to add a new account, all you have to do is click on add accounts and then add your account right over here. And if you don't have one, just create one. That's it, and thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe to our channel. Take care.